Hi, this is Ian Thompson with RE/MAX Professionals. You know, one word describes the real estate market on Vancouver Island, that is density. People living closer and closer together. Do you want to break free from all that? Here's a new opportunity on Beaver Creek. Just about half an acre and room for just about anything you want. Swimming pool, shop, you should see all the parking, and it's really nicely updated inside. Let's have a look. Buying a house is expensive today, so home buyers are looking not to spend more money after they've moved in. That's one of the benefits here on Beaver Creek because there are newer windows, a brand new roof, deck's just been redone, and the air conditioning from the heat pump feels great. Properties this size on Beaver Creek are so rare because they give the buyer options. Right over here would be a completely detached shop or a carriage home perhaps. And what about if you've got work vehicles? Well, this parking allows for work trucks or a boat or an RV or a camper or all those together plus your own personal vehicles. That is unique. It demands your attention. Call your agent to book a viewing today at this great opportunity on Beaver Creek.